Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at my brand new addition to my Etsy shop, which is the Digital Holy Bible. So this is a digital Bible which includes the entire Bible in the King James Version. I am so excited to finally have finished this Bible journal. It has been many years in the making. I made so many others and they failed and I had to delete the whole file and start over again. But I'm so happy that I created this and I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside. And I gotta tell you, using this Bible with GoodNotes 6 is even better. So not only am I going to do a flip through of this Bible journal with you, I'm going to show you all the cool things that you can do using GoodNotes 6. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Upon downloading the files, you're going to see that there is a cover file, Bible covers, and also pages. So you're going to receive two different things that we're going to combine together. The first you're going to get is the Holy Bible, which is not going to include the cover page. It is just the pages. So what you're going to have to do is add the pages afterwards. So this is how you do it. You're going to go into Add Page, click on Before, go down till you see Import. And it's going to open up your file section. Usually it should be in your download section. That's where things usually get downloaded. So if you do see that, I'm going to just upload a separate one that was here before. If you do see it there, great, but you might have saved it somewhere else. Just go to that file and it'll open up all of your covers together. Then all you're going to do is pick the one that you want. It comes in green, pink, white, black, and another textured like grayish color, and brown. So you have the option to choose whichever one you like and just delete the other covers because obviously you just need one cover, you know. Once you pick the cover that you like, you're going to go back and tap on the contents, which is the four little squares at the top left side of your screen, and you're going to delete the other covers. So you can just click on edit, tap the ones that you don't want. So I'm going to stick with the pink one, and I'm going to click on more and move to trash. Now you just have one cover. This helps so that the pages match, and so just make sure you just have one cover, not two or three. You just need one. As I said, you'll understand why later on, but it's just so that the cover doesn't add more pages, so that the page number count isn't off, if that makes sense. Anyway, so this is what we have on the first page. It says this Bible belongs to, and you'll see my beautiful logo on the first page. And just to remind you, this is the King James version of this Bible journal. So if you would like to get it, just remember, check the link down below in the description box. Okay, so yes, this is the first page. And what I love about this Bible journal is it has these quick links that you can always click on anywhere in the Bible to help you navigate easily and simply every day with your everyday use. So you have the home page, you have your index page, you have your favorites page, and additional notes page. So in the index page, this is what it looks like. You have the Old Testament on top and the New Testament is located on the bottom. Every single book of this index is clickable. So you can click on every one of these these books, and you'll be directed to that part of the Bible where you can start reading that book. So the next part is the favorites, and you can add your own links if you'd like. And you know, I've taught you guys how to do this before in GoodNotes, I believe on TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, definitely do. I show you a lot of tips over there. So you add in your own link if you'd like. You just tap on the screen while you're on the lasso tool. You add a link, and what you're going to do is edit it based on the page that you want it to link to. So you just have to remember the page it is, and you go to that page, and once you click on it, every time you click on it, it'll direct you to that page. So you can customize your favorites page just the way that you'd like. So as you can see, the first one I have is John 3 verse 16, which is like a staple verse. I wrote it down, and then you can also just click on it. Also, you have your additional pages. So you can just copy it when you click on those three buttons to the right, and then you can go ahead and add it. Let's say you want to add some more notes pages in Genesis, right? We have this, let's just say we're adding more notes pages to Genesis, and we're reading something really amazing, and we want to, you know, continue writing more notes or add more inspiration photos or whatever it is. All you have to do is copy it first. Like I said, go to the three buttons at the top, click on copy. Then you're going to go to add page. So you want to do it before or after, that's up to you. And you just paste that page. So now you know that you have extra notes page to increase in your creativity, in your inspiration, in your whatever it is that you want to write. If there's sermon notes that you want to write there, you can do that. And of course, you know, you can always delete, add in your contents page at any time. All right, so we already know in GoodNotes that there are so many wonderful features that we can use to help us read our Bible more and really just make it fun. Because I feel like a lot of times I would carry my Bible and it's so heavy. And it's like, oh, you know, but having it digitally is something like, it's just a different experience, and I really like it. And if you have a lot of other stuff that you're carrying, like me, I carry a songbook. If you just carry all these different things, it becomes heavy, you know, in your bag. But just having your like iPad mini or having your regular iPad Pro simply in your bag, and you have your songbook in there, you can have this in there, you can have everything. And you can just liven up your Bible reading and journal and meditation right there, either in your church, in your bedroom, wherever you are in your office. You have that ability to do that. So as you can see here, I'm adding in a photo that I got from Pinterest, and I just cropped it and put it at the bottoms to kind of represent how it must have been, you know, Genesis 1, things are being created. So I just thought this picture really represented that, and it looks like Jesus is walking on water. So I kind of felt like, I don't know, this was a nice photo that I wanted to add in here. Also, of course, GoodNotes has added dashed lines, so you can make cute little circles, you know, dotted lines all around. You could do dotted or dashed, or of course, a regular straight line. The other thing I want to mention is that when you are using the navigation links, you can go back to the index from the top, or you can go back to the chapter itself. Just use the links provided at the very top of the chapter. So you see here, I go to this one, and at the very top it says Bible Index, or it says Deuteronomy. So you can check on whichever link you want to go to get to your destination quicker. So this is how I decorated this part of the Bible. This is something that I think is so memorable for me, like when Jesus was talking to the disciples. And I just really love the fact that I can also add sticky notes, which GoodNotes has also included. And if you have this Bible and you're sharing readings together, you can have questions, you know, ask questions about like, what does Jesus mean about this? Or what does this mean? I don't get it. And then maybe somebody resolves it by texting you back. And you're like, oh, I get it. And then you can close that message. Or it could just be a sticky note that stays there forever. Like my Bible, my physical Bible has tons of sticky notes that stayed in my Bible forever. So I kind of like this feature that they also have this too. And it could be collapsible. So you can make it really super tiny so it doesn't get in the way, or you can open it back up. So I really love this. It doesn't take a lot of space, and you can put it right next to the verse or chapter that you have a question about. Another really cool feature that GoodNotes has added is the pencil feature. Now, I didn't really add this in because I'm not great at drawing, but if you can look at the top left of my screen, I was testing it out a little bit with those little squiggly lines. You can draw in things that inspire you. So for those who are amazing with drawing, you can actually draw with a tool that looks more like a pencil. So hopefully, you know, I can get my drawing skills up and, you know, get some nice drawings in my Bible notes. But anyway, this is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, the link is in the description box below. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.